Welcome to European Railway issue 107, the DVD magazine for the continental enthusiast. In this programme we have the first of two visits to the Basel to Brugg mainline. Traction variety on the Bratislava to Hungary route in Slovakia. We journey to view a busy rail corridor in southern France. A look at Belgian traction southwest of Brussels. It's Switzerland again as we continue observations towards Brugg. Diesel multiple units feature in our Slovenian interlude. And finally, a study of train types to be found on a busy cross-country line to the south of Nuremberg.